Our diets of course have a great impact on our immune system health. Some foods are packed with nutrients that help immune system functions, whereas others can actually decrease its power to fight back in case we get ill. If you eat certain foods, you may be able to help your immune system stay strong. Here are 8 foods that can be used to boost your immune system. Number 1. Zinc. When there is a deficiency of zinc in your body, your immune system will tend to become weaker. It is a mineral that acts as an enzyme factor in white blood cells. Some good food sources of zinc are pumpkin seeds, meat, fish and dairy products. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic is used in foods all around the world. It has antibacterial, antivirus, antifungal and antioxidant properties, which is very good for keeping your immune system healthy. It's been known to fight infections for many years. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamin C, which helps the body fight infection. It's best to cook the spinach as little as you can to make sure the nutrients are kept inside. This will add to its vitamin and take away oxalic acid. It's a great source to keep your immune system healthy and strong. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C can not only helps to cure cold but also can stop you from getting sick in the first place by making white blood cells, which help fight infection. Some citrus fruits you can try are grapefruit, oranges, lemons, limes and clementines. Make sure to take vitamin C every day to help your immune system stay strong. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow, bitter spice that's used in a lot of foods. It has an active compound called curcumin that helps expectorate the mucus and give you quick relief from cold. It has antibacterial properties which can help your immune system stay strong and healthy. Number 6. Papaya. Papaya is rich in vitamin C. It has a digestive enzyme called papain which keeps down swelling in the body. It also has potassium, vitamin B and folate which are good for your immune system. Number 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in vitamins and minerals. It is full of vitamin A, C and E and also a lot of antioxidants which makes it one of the healthiest food you can find to stay healthy and strong. Number 8. Antioxidant foods. Antioxidants can help to control and repair the damage of free radicals in our bodies. This could be vitamins like A, C and E. Some good antioxidant food sources to take are broccoli, cauliflower, berries, nuts, pineapples, tomatoes, corn and peppers.